we are connecting Graphify with Cursor. And the reason we are doing this today is because in the application, when you're writing a code, Cursor takes a lot of time to find the exact file where it is and how we can update the code. So what we are going to do is to create a knowledge graph for Cursor so that it is easier for Cursor to get that data. Alright everyone, so let's begin our journey to install Graphify. Step number 1 is to install pipx. Now this pipx is Python installation for command lines application. So let's do that first. So the number 1, so if you look over here, brew install pipx. I'm using brew because I have MacBook, and usually whatever any kind of installation that I need to do on command line, I use brew. For Windows, there will be another command. I will add that to the document, and if you want to get that document, click on the URL below in the description and you will be able to see that. Now once this installation is complete, then the next step is to install Graphify. Do that, use the command pipx install Graphify. Now it will go through its process again, and then once it is done, we will have to run pipx ensure path. Basically this command makes sure that all the paths that are necessary for this Graphify to run will be stored automatically. So this was step number 2. Let's jump to step number 3. You just need to do Graphify Cursor install. Let me show you how. Here you go. Graphify Cursor install. And what it does, basically, it creates this folder. And within this folder, you'll see this MDC file. This basically MDC file is providing a structure to how the Graphify is going to work. Okay. The second thing it does is making sure that Cursor now use this file to locate the files. Graphify basically is a knowledge graph where it connects all the points that are within the application code and combines them together to make it easier for the user to understand where to find the file and then update it accordingly. This Cursor to make sure that the data is correctly found and in a shorter period of time. You must have seen that in sometimes Cursor takes a lot of time to find exact place where it needs to change the data. Sometimes it took me like 2 to 3 minutes as well. And as the project grows, it becomes harder and harder for Cursor to do that. And it takes more time as well as more token to find it, because if one of the grep didn't work, it will try another one, then it will try another one. So it will take a lot of time. That is the reason why we try. Okay. So we have completed step number 3. Again, we're going to run pipx ensure path because to make sure all the paths are provided correctly in the system. Once that is done, the next step that we need to do, graphify.code-only. This is the point where Graphify is going to look at the code, come up with the structure, come up with the knowledge graph, and store it in the folder that they have created. Okay? So once this is done, now our almost complete. Anytime you want to see the nodes, how it is structured and all that stuff, you can do that too. For that, you'll have to run the command again, but it will be a slightly different command. It will be graphify.-svg only. And I can show you over here what it does. You can do it separately as well as this way. What it does, it is going to help you create HTML file, graph.html. You can open up, and through that you will be able to see the whole code. This way we have completed our installation of the Graphify, and we have told Cursor to use this knowledge graph rather than it. In the coming days, I will be running this in my Islamic companion application. After a week or so, I will see how it is doing. Is Cursor faster than before? Is Cursor using less token as before? Basically, I want to see the token is actually reduced by using Graphify or not, because this is the claim that a lot of people are doing. That would be all for today. If you like the video, subscribe, comment below. To see you soon again.